As Tucson deals with a lack of affordable housing, a small business is building a firm foundation for the future. 13 News reporter JD Wallace is live on the south side with a story. JD, explain how this all works.
Val, they build these small modular homes inside here and then transport them to locations like the one you're about to see. Their goal is to provide affordable housing and the skilled workers who can do it.
It's like ground up, so we've done like framing, electrical, plumbing so far, roofing.
Brooke Templeton and Christian Gonzalez are building a foundation, constructing modular and tiny homes and gaining experience.
So I started 4 months with Brooke, and I'm 47, and I see the potential in learning the trades.
We are trying to teach the next generation of craftsmen on how to build.
Clay Abernathy seeks to fill two demands with Ideal Trade Institute: affordable housing and the skilled labor to build it.
So we want to teach the next generation of craftsmen on how to build homes by building homes. And so we take and we sell those units off, and then we take that money back in, we put it back into the school and pay off their debt. So they graduate debt-free, 6 months, and they will have built 15 to 25 homes in that 6-month period of time.
I thought it sounded cool to be able to learn everything.
In 2 more months, Templeton and Gonzalez will graduate, debt-free, equipped with the skills and tools to go to work.
We're actually giving back and doing things for homeowners and whatnot, and yeah, it's just, you feel like you're paying it forward, if you will.
They have about 50 students. They've built about 72 of these structures. Most of them have actually been sent to Utah because the permitting there has been a lot faster than it is here, according to Abernathy. Live on the south side, JD Wallace, 13 News.